Hello everyone, it's Mana. First of all, thank you so much for watching my videos and for all the lovely comments on my last one. I really appreciate your support. In the video, I talked about some things that aren't just true for Japanese women. They can actually apply to women all over the world. But since I live in Japan, so I often see these situations in real life. Some couples have such amazing, healthy relationships while others, honestly, I often wondered why they are even together. Men and women really are such different creatures, right? Sometimes it feels like we will never fully understand each other, but that's what makes relationships kind of mysterious and fun too. In my last video, I talked a little about some of the challenges and things we should be careful about when it comes to relationships, especially with Japanese women. So today I wanna switch things up and share 7 great things about having a Japanese partner. You could say this video is kind of like wrestling the honor, and I hope it makes you even more curious about Japan, our culture, and of course Japanese women. Whether you are just interested in Japan or dating with someone from here, I think you are really going to enjoy this one. So let's get into it. Number 1, they smell really good, like really good. Okay, this might sound a little unexpected, but one of the first things you will notice if you are dating a Japanese woman is how nice they smell. Most Japanese people are really clean and care a lot about hygiene. Taking a shower and a relaxing bath every single day is totally normal here. And their hair, it often smells like flowers or something fresh from a commercial. You will feel like you are hugging a tiny bouquet. Also, Japanese women tend to be very feminine, not just in how they look, but in how they move, talk, and carry themselves. That soft, graceful vibe really brings out your masculine side. You might find yourself standing a little taller, feeling a bit more like a protector. It's kind of sweet, right? Number 2, they are naturally empathetic and value harmony. One of the most beautiful things about Japanese culture is how much we value empathy and collaboration. You can really feel it in everyday life, especially in the workplace, but also in relationships and friendships. Japanese women often grow up with this mindset, so they are usually very considerate and emotionally in tune with others. They will try to sense how you are feeling and support you quietly and keep things peaceful. That kind of gentle connection can actually bring double the happiness and even more strength to your relationship. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not that Japanese women don't have their own opinions. They do, but before jumping into disagreement, the cultural habit is to first try to understand the other person. This does not just help in love, it's something that will help you connect with Japanese people in general on the deeper level. Number 3, they look young and their skin is soft and smooth. One thing you will probably notice right away, Japanese women tend to have amazing skin. A lot of them take skincare seriously. Cleansing, moisturizing, sunscreen, they've got their routine down like a science. So when you hold a hand or gently touch her cheek, her skin is so soft and it honestly feels like you've just been transported to heaven. And here's something interesting. Asian skin, including Japanese skin, tends to be naturally stronger and more elastic. That means it stays youthful looking for longer. So sometimes you will catch yourself thinking, wait, how is she actually that age? And if you are the kind of guy who likes to brag a little, you might secretly feel like, I'm winning at life right now. Number 4, most Japanese women live a calm, balanced lifestyle. If you've ever been to Japan, you will probably notice our environment is clean, peaceful, and well organized. You rarely see trash on the streets. Public toilets are surprisingly clean and there's delicious food everywhere. Seriously, even convenience store snacks are on another level. Because we are surrounded by a pretty stable and safe environment with access to good systems, beautiful nature, and a culture that values respect. Many Japanese women grown up with a very grounded mindset. They tend to live an average lifestyle in the best way, not too flashy, not too chaotic, but peaceful and modest. They are usually calm, not overly assertive, and down to earth. Of course, like anywhere, there are different personalities and not every woman will fit this exactly. And here I'm talking about the kind of woman who isn't out getting drunk in a bar every weekend. She's more likely to enjoy cozy dinners, meaningful conversations. Number 5, Japanese women are supportive and genuinely considerate. In Japanese culture, there's a big focus on being aware of others and walking in their shoes. We grown up learning that it's important to think about how someone else might feel before we speak or act. So being selfish or pushy, that's really not accepted here, and most people, especially women, are raised to avoid that kind of behavior. Japanese women are often supportive, thoughtful, kind. You might think, oh, is this just polite on surface level? But even that surface kindness comes from a place of respect. Honestly, any effort to consider someone else's feeling is better than showing no empathy at all, right? Of course, some people do act selfish or cold, and usually they are dealing with their own inner struggles. But overall, many Japanese women are not aggressive. Instead, they approach life and relationships with quiet strength, calm energy, and a deep sense of consideration for others. Number 6, they are super fashionable. You will always feel inspired. If you've ever been to Tokyo or any big cities in Japan, you will probably notice many Japanese women really know how to dress. From cute and girly to cool and edgy, there are so many different styles and they pull them off so well. Fashion is a big part of self-expression here, and many Japanese women genuinely enjoy putting together stylish outfits. So if you're dating one, get ready. You are going to have a lot of fun shopping together in all those trendy little boutiques and department store. And this is kind of off topic, but just from a personal experience. Whenever I travel to other countries, sometimes people came up to me and asked, "Are you Japanese?" And I would say yes. And they would reply, "I could tell you from your fashion style." That always made me so happy and a bit proud. Even though I bought those clothes in the US, it's really interesting how fashion can reflect your culture even when you are far from home. Number 7, okay, here's a more personal thought to end with. If you are looking for a truly high-value Japanese girlfriend or partner, the most important thing is to observe her behavior and mindset, her maturity, her value, how she treats others. These things say a lot more than words. You know what we say? The eyes are the window to the soul. Sometimes you can really feel someone's heart just by looking into their eyes, their gaze, their spark, the way they look at the world. It's subtle but so powerful. So when we draw pictures of bad people like thief or criminal, we often show them wearing sunglasses. Is this the same in your country? And personally, I really love Japan and our culture, so honestly, I don't like to focus too much on the negative side of our country and our people. But at the same time, I really want to share our real habits and thoughts from my perspectives. And I hope it makes you even more curious to learn about Japan, our culture, and of course, Japanese women. Everyone is different, but culture definitely shapes how we think and behave. So understanding these little things might help you connect with us better and maybe even appreciate some things you've never noticed before. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I would be happy if you hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye!